Hi, I am Rimu. Now we watch how can make 3D buttons on Photoshop. So open a new file, select the Photoshop default page and apply here a normal color and select the electric marquee tool and uh, press Alt and Shift on your keyboard and draw here a circle, and this is move on center and apply choose a white color and background color select red and apply here gradient. This gradient is not this, and apply here and go to select menu, modify and contrast, type here 10 and OK, and go to edit menu, transform and rotation 118 degree, and again go to select, modify and contrast and type here 3 and OK. Again go to transform and rotate 180 degree, and now you go to image adjustment and hue saturation and click the colorize and change some colors. If you choose okay, I choose this and click OK and deselect this. Okay, this is a 3D button. If you want to get more tutorials, so subscribe this channel and watch this video. Thank you. Bye bye.